Hi guys, so today I want to take a look at on how to update the Trimble Total Station. So what you're gonna need is a cable. I got a USB to, I guess, what is this? This is like a Limo 7-pin, I think. So what you want to do is here on your Total Station, you should have a, let's see if I can show you up down here. You have two ports. One is COM and one is the power, 12 volt. So I'm just gonna pop the COM open and I'm gonna go and attach the cable with the Nemo side to there, and it should just nicely kind of snap in. And the next thing what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug the other side into the computer. I like to plug it directly to the computer because I just don't like to get the some kind of interference. I do have a hub on the table, but yeah, I don't like it. So now I believe I should be able to turn the total station on, which I just did, and let's see if we can yeah, it's just starting, and let's see. So if you can see, I'm gonna run the Trimble Installation Manager. As you guys can see, it's right here, and I'm gonna go optical instruments, and let's see if I hit connect on S, SPS, and RTS, because this is S, I think. What it's doing, it's on the other page, it just popped up a window downloading some Trimble optical instruments drivers or something, and it's getting a license. Okay, as you can see, here is the serial number, getting a list of updates. Okay, so there is an device information, and we do have firmware version H2.13.4, and as you can see, H2.14.6 is the latest one. So I'm just gonna hit install. You are about to update firmware. Please do not power or unplug the instrument while updating. Do you want to continue? Okay, let's hit. The battery level is too low. Okay, replace battery and try again. Okay, so it automatically knows that the battery is too low. So let's see if I have charged the one here. Yeah, this one looks okay. So I'm gonna just shut it off here. Yeah, this one is too low. Okay. And go through this again, turn it on. And though this looks still pretty good, I don't know why. Oh, there is another one which I have fully charged. Perfect. Okay, so let's try this again. Yeah, it's still, I guess it's still connected. H2.14.6. Let's hit install. You are about to install. Let's hit OK. Battery is too low. Okay, I have to I guess I have to refresh. Yeah, it's not connected. So yeah, so now I'm gonna refresh the connection. Yeah, I can hear it now connecting. Yeah, the getting license, okay. Firmware, so this is the second time around. Unfortunately, I did not know that the battery is okay, and let's try to do the install. Yeah, something is happening. as you guys can hear. I think the instrument just shut down right now. So I'm not sure if it's I don't see anything on the screen of the instrument. Oh, it's updating as per the thing. Yeah, something flashed just now here. Yeah, we're getting it slowly but surely. Okay, it's... I don't even know what is it saying here. Oh, waiting for connection. Okay. So let's see what we can master up here. It's about halfway done. Well, I guess it takes a minute. We are about 6 minutes in from the whole since we started the process. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Sorry about that. I can hear something in a whole station. Something is happening there for 2 seconds. So let's see what we can master up here. So it must be doing something in the background there. I'm not really sure. Nice thing is about the total station that it doesn't require the warranty. You can keep on updating it. It's not like with the GNSS receivers, if you are out of warranty, you're not able to update. Okay, so it just shut off, the total station just shut off, and now it connected to the computer, I think. And here, oh, there was a firmware number there, but I could not see it because it's so small. Let's see what we... I just don't want to touch any buttons there because I don't want to shut it off or anything. Okay, so it's connected. Okay, let's see. I just want to see the device and I want to see the 14.6. It shut off again, turned on again. Okay, now it's back to waiting for connection. Oh, the light came on. So apparently we are good. So let's see the H12.14.6. Yeah, there you go. So that's the latest and greatest. I'm gonna hit finish, and I guess that turned off the Installation Manager, and I'm just gonna go here. I'm gonna go to Setup, and Setup, and I'm gonna scroll down to firmware version. And I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's see if I can turn that down. Oops, the other way. Yeah, and then I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Not sure if you can see that, but there is that H. Oh, it went again. Let me see. Firmware version H14 at the top there. For 2 seconds it flashes. If I hit enter, it's 14.6. So it has been updated. So perfect. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next one.